Today we talk about how can you enable marketing notifications on your Samsung Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You go down. So then you come here to marketing notifications. Click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us. That's main marketing notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.